Good day, everyone. Today we are going to learn about position to term rules, which is finding the nth term from the topic sequences. In order to find one position to term rules, which is finding the nth term, you will need to understand the formula which is given to use to find the nth term. So I'm going to just recap a little bit about the formula that has been given to find the nth term. So what is meant by Tn? Tn simply means number of term that we will need to find in the given sequences, which is the nth term. T1 will be the first term that is given in the sequences. So n is just going to be the same as the number of term, which is the nth term, and d will be the common difference that you can find in a given sequences. Now that we are familiar with the given formula to find the nth term, let's apply it with the questions given here. So for the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13, questions want you to find the 11th term in the sequences. So we can use the given formula, which is Tn equals to T1 plus in bracket n minus 1 d. So all you need to do is to substitute the respective term into the formula. So Tn will be the number of terms that we need to find, which is 11 terms. So T11 equals to T1 will be the first term that is given in the sequences, which is number 1, plus n will be the number of term 11 minus 1 d. What is d? D will be the common difference in a given sequences. The common difference we can find it by subtracting the second term and the first term, which is equals to 3, 7 and 4, 3, 10 and 7, 3, 13 and 10, 3. So this is what we call as common differences in the given sequences. So all I need to do is to substitute the 3 into d. So we can solve this as a normal equation, 1 plus 3 times d. All you need to do is to solve the bracket first. So once you solve the bracket, which is 11 minus 1 equals to 10, 3. So T11 equals to 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 1 will be 31. So the 11th term for the given sequences is equals to 31. Let's move on to the second question. The second question here is saying that derived a simplified formula for the nth term of the sequences. So question wants you to find a formula, simplified formula, using the formula given to find the nth term. So all I need to do is to rewrite the formula, which is Tn equals to T1 plus in bracket n minus 1 d. So questions wants you to find the nth term. So the nth term is going to be the same here. T1 will be the first term, which is 1, plus your n will be the nth term, and minus 1. D, as again, is going to be the common differences, which is 3. So all I need to do is to solve it like a normal equation. So 1 plus bracket multiply 3 and minus 3. To solve it, questions is going to be equals to 3 and minus 2. So the simplified formula for the sequence is going to be 3 and minus 2. So that's all for today's lesson. Hopefully today's topic will be helpful for your studies in future. Thank you and goodbye.